How good are you at math? Let's find out. 7 plus 3. 10. 9 minus 2. 7. 8 divided by 2. 4. 3 times 3. 9. 62 plus 7. 69. 25 plus 16. 41. 23 plus 22. 45. 42 divided by 6. 7. 200 into 4. 800. 62,035 plus 5. 62,040. 2 plus 4 into 8. 34. 14 into 7 plus 12. 110. 500 divided by 20 plus 76. 101. 604 minus 204 divided by 2. 502. Which of the following expressions are equal to 40,503? Two feet 4 inches plus 4 feet 8 inches is equal to 7 feet. 1 hour 20 minutes plus 3 hours 30 minutes is equal to four hours 50 minutes. Minus 12 plus 4. Minus 8. Minus 5 into minus 7. 35. Minus 4 minus 4. Minus 8. Minus 6 minus 10. Minus 16. 16 minus 16. Zero. Which of the following choices is equivalent to 6 into 6 into 6? Six power 3. Which of the following choices is equivalent to 2 power 5? (32). 17 power 2 is equal to 289. 10 power 5 divided by 10 power 2 is equal to 10 power 3. Minus 4 power 2 is equal to minus 16. What is the square of negative 4? (16). Minus 5 power cube is equal to minus 125. What is the square of negative 11? (121). What is the square root of 36? (6). Which of these equations is incorrect? How many inches are there in 4 feet? (48 inches). Write your score in the comment box. Subscribe for more educational videos like this.